Hi, my name is Ekhon. I am a project officer of an NGO called Indo Global Social Service Society. I have been engaging with the youths for the past 5 years. One of the most pressing issues faced by the youths in Ukhrul is unemployment. With our intervention, we have trained around 1,000 youths in different sectors, where most of them are self-employed now. We have youths working as cabin crews in different airlines. We have youths working in different hospitality sectors in different cities. We have also youths undergoing advanced training courses outside our district. Yes, we are all very much aware of the reverse migration that is taking place and also the possible negative consequences that can be followed if we take it lightly. Therefore, we have been gearing up to provide skill development trainings for the returnees. The traits for the upcoming trainings are identified based on the online survey which we have conducted recently. These are the traits that has the most prospect in our areas. The course will commence by mid-September and it will be free of cost, but of course we will follow our own guidelines in selecting the candidates. The duration for each trait will be around 1 month approximately. So I would like to appeal the returnees to grab the opportunity and make the best use of it. Once we train them, we provide them minimum amount of 5,000 to 10,000 rupees to start up their own business. But of course, to the deserving and serious candidates, we also link them up to different financial institutions to access different government schemes. Many might consider reverse migration as a sort of a big burden, but I find it as a blessing in disguise because we have so many returnees pouring in with different skill sets, and I believe it's our responsibility, including parents, civil organizations, NGOs, government departments and local governments, I think should come together and provide them the right platform, identify their skills and channelize them to the right direction. I believe that's when we start seeing changes in our community.